Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You caught me smiling. These little British sports cars, they're just fun. Pulling in here, I'm tooting the horn. The sound they make, driving around with the wind blowing through your hair, they're fun cars. And this one has such a great story. The gentleman I bought it from bought this car in 1969. He took his wife, now his wife, out on their first date in 1973 in this car. So very cool story. It's completely restored. It's beautiful. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. And that's where you find prices on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, I've got a bunch of receipts. Actually, if you go on our website, you'll see pictures and receipts documenting the restoration. He bought it in 1969, was using the car, and then eventually it pretty much got parked. It was restored in the mid or late 90s by a company. That's what they worked on, were British sports cars. So the company that built it knew what they were doing, took it all apart, redid everything. Underneath the car, the front end, let me back up. It was done in the 90s, and recently in 2018, there's another receipt from another British sports car place, and they spent over $5,300 there going through and servicing the car. One of the things that shop just did was the whole front end is all rebuilt. The A-arms, all the bushings, everything up front there, all new. These come with rack and pinion steering, believe it or not. Now the rest of the underside is really nice and clean. It has the original 4-speed transmission that's in there. Stainless steel exhaust front to back, and the muffler is polished like chrome. So underneath the car is just really good. Brakes were just all redone as well, so they work fantastic. British Racing Green, of course. What other color would you put on it? And it's polished like glass. The body is excellent, and this paint is 25 years old, and it still looks this fantastic. That tells you a lot about the car. So this is all straight, fits nice, beautiful. Fenders, everything is excellent. Now up here, the grill shell looks like it's re-chromed. It has a nice hood ornament. The MG emblem's beautiful. Chrome on the headlights, and the bars are excellent. It has the Lucas tri-bar headlights. It has Moss fog lamps. It has the badge bar with a British badge. Bumpers and bumper guards are re-chromed. New welting. The hardware looks new. Got the turn signals and mirrors on each fenders. The little chrome handles here that unlock the hood say MG right in the middle. They're new. So we got a chrome windshield frame in real nice shape. It does fold down flat. New door handles. And again, all the welting, the rubber strips on the running boards, all that's been redone. The chrome on the gas tank ends and the hardware look new. Taillights, bumpers, all that's real nice. Now you might have noticed the wheels sparkling as the car's going around. He added the chrome wire wheels, all 5 of them obviously, but they are the new reproduction Kelsey Hayes wheels. They actually bolt on. I believe the originals were held on with the spinner, but it's safer to have them bolted on the car. Convertible top, refer to our pictures. It's a beautiful top, and it has the complete side curtain kit that actually fits real nicely. I'm the one who put the top up and assembled all that for the pictures. It's all in excellent shape. It was all bought new from Moss Motors, so the framework, everything is all excellent. The side curtains, by the way, there's a compartment back here, and they do fit in there. I had to go online to figure out how to get them to fit in there, and it flat out said you need to be Houdini to figure it out, but I did get it. The glass is crystal clear. So the little motor in here runs great. You'll hear it in a little while. It's got a finned aluminum valve cover, and it also has a finned aluminum oil pan. And all the components in here have been restored. Has all new wiring harness. The battery is bolted in properly. It has the toolbox, opens from either side, and the inside of it has like a cloth liner they put in it. The interior is also a whole kit from Moss Motors. This is genuine leather on the seats and the door panels, and it's got door pockets. The welting, the whole back is upholstered, the side panels, all that's redone. Carpet front to back looks new, but on the driver's side there's 2 spots in the carpet. It looks worn or something spilled. I'm not sure what that is. The wood on the dash is refinished. Everything works except the little clock. But the gauges, lights work, steering wheel's beautiful. And there is no gas gauge. These did not come with a gas gauge. A light comes on, I think, when you got a couple gallons left, or a lot of people would have a stick. They'd put the stick in there and it'd tell them how much gas. Something else that's interesting, on the back of the seat, there's this big chrome bar. That's in case you ever had a dead battery. You put the bar in front, and you can crank this motor over. There's also a box sitting here with extra touch-up paint, service manuals. So all the gauges, the whole dash, all that's in beautiful shape. Car is just done really well, professionally done. He took excellent care of it. The welting around the cowl is real nice. It's got twin SU carburetors. It has the original aluminum intake, says MG right on it. The exhaust manifold's original. It also says MG, as a chrome air cleaner. The original horn, fuel pump, braided hoses. It's all the way it should be. It's a neat little car, just fun. I don't know what makes them just so fun, but so there you have it. That's my impression. This little MGTD. Go to volocars.com with any concerns or questions you may have. Plenty of ways on there to talk to the salesman. They'll help you the best they can. They can also help with financing. They can help with delivery. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Cheerio.